Danny at the Woolery here again with the 12 fiber gifts of Christmas. So I do have a surprise in this box. Surprise! Let's actually get it open. This is week number 2. So let's see what I have in here. Kromsky spindles. So they come in several different finishes here. Hopefully you can tell the difference between these two dark ones, but of course the middle one is a clear finish, this one here is a mahogany finish, and this one here is a walnut finish. These are going to go on sale on the 25th of October, so check them out, of course. And what comes with these is actually a spindle kit. So you're going to get 4 ounces of Polish merino in a surprise color. We love surprises. And these do also have hooks on them. We didn't want to mark them up too badly, so we didn't put the hooks in them. But you'll have hooks in there, you have fiber in there, you have a leader in there, and you have some instructions in there as well. So check those out on the 25th of October and get whatever flavor you like.